surprising facts about your favorite food brands. Fast food brands are bread and butter of any UK high street. You can probably recite the entire menu of your favorite fast food place off by heart. But have you ever stopped to consider just what else you know about them? From KFC to Greg's, we have rounded up some of the most shocking, hilarious, and mind boggling facts about the top brands out there. Prepare to have your mind blown. McDonald's is the world's largest toy distributor. You might think that shops like Toy R Us or Argos hand out more toys on average per year than any fast food shop. Not quite. With toys being given away with every McDonald's Happy Meal, that's a lot of treats that are being given away every single day. In fact, one report estimates that McDonald's distributes over 1.5 billion toys each year. As a bonus, McDonald's, in fact, did you know that the Queen owns her own restaurant near Windsor Castle? Her match snapped up very own drive-through McDonald's restaurant, presumably so she could get her fill of Big Macs on a daily basis without being judged too much. There are almost 38 million Subway combos to choose from. Ever stood in Subway queue for half an hour and still had no idea what to get? That's probably down to the fact that there are reportedly 38 million total combos available on the menu. When you consider all the potential filling you could have, and not to mention the different types of bread, it is not really a huge surprise. 3. KFC is the traditional Christmas Eve dinner in Japan. While Christmas isn't a national holiday in Japan, that doesn't stop KFC getting in on the festive action. Foreigners in Japan unable to find any turkey for Christmas Day regularly flock to KFC for a pre-Christmas fried chicken meal. The 1974 marketing campaign read Kentucky for Christmas. I can't help. 4. Domino once offered free sandwiches to the Jareds of the world. Subtly, definitely isn't Domino's strongest feature. Back in 2008, the chain brought out their own over half-baked sandwiches in bid to compare with Subway. In order to generate some buzz, Domino's offered free sandwiches to anyone called Jared. Why? Cause that was the name of Subway former spokesman. Nick, nicely done, Domino's. The chain bun classic contains an insane 80-90 calories in one bun. That's almost half of the woman's daily recommended calorie intake. There's also 36 grams of fat and 59 grams of sugar to consider. Clipboard single-handedly managed to confuse virtually every cat lover. Back in 1998, Clipboard ran an ad which featured a ball and a tiny foil left over from one of their burritos, with text next to it, free cat toy with every purchase. While the ad got its fair share of chuckles, it also went over some people's head, with many coming in also about the cat toy. You will never find two Nandos that look the same. In order to avoid cookie cutter look, every Nando restaurant is given a bespoke makeover. Each restaurant uses original South African art, which is sourced through company art for that unique interior look. Pizza Hut was the first company to deliver to outer space. Well, more or less. In 2001, Pizza Hut delivered a pizza to the International Space Station using a Russian rocket. The publicly stunned set Pizza Hut back around 1 million, making it quite possible the most expensive pizza to have ever lived. Since it took a little while to get up into space, the pizza had to be specially designed with salami instead of pepperoni, and extra salt and spices to liven up the taste buds. TGI Friday was only opened as a way for the founder to meet women. Though TGI Friday was all about celebrating our favorite day of the week, the premises start out somewhat different. Alan Silma has quite open about the fact that he opened the first restaurant in 1965 as a way to meet women. Based in New York Upper East Side, The restaurant was slap bang in the middle of an area famous with stewardess, models, and secretaries. Slightly creepy, but okay. 25% of the kids believe Greg invented pericos. A 2000 survey revealed that around a quarter of kids thought that Greg's invented baguettes rather than French. What a time to be alive.